The IRC really focuses on getting into areas wherever there is humanitarian crisis, climate crisis as well. And I think as Tim mentioned earlier, we really started in 1933 at the request of Albert Einstein to bring folks out of Nazi Germany. Now we're in Colombia, Venezuela, Syria. So all of those areas where there's conflict, people have been dislocated and they become refugees, often in their own country. We're there to help. Where the security context is very different for us. We need to secure those devices because those people become at risk, those devices become at risk. So the idea that cybersecurity is not something you would typically think about in humanitarian relief, it actually is significantly important.
SCALR XDR is SRA's 24/7 security monitoring solution that combines a turnkey detection platform and, of course, our world-class monitoring services. It has some pretty distinctive features, including a combined and integrated SIM, SOAR, and data lake, and also uses our world-class Purple Team methodology.
SCALR XDR for us it really is a solution for us that brings a lot of things together. What it does is it helps us bring together, being in all these different countries and all of our different operating platforms, an aggregation of security information that's related to privacy as well, into a centralized and intelligent area with great analysis as well.
The partnership with IRC is so important to SRA because for us, it really aligns with our mission. And our mission is to level up every day to protect our clients and their customers. And some of our customers are banks, some of them are healthcare organizations, telecom, energy. There's a lot of things that we protect, and our clients' mission becomes important to us. Well, how much more with what IRC is doing? We've just been thrilled to be able to do the things that we love doing, which is cybersecurity, defense, and be able to support your organization and take that mission of leveling up and apply those smarts and the expertise that we continue to build and bring that to bear 24/7 to support what IRC is doing.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, we look forward to continuing to be part of the work.
We do too.